Okay, so this will be my unboxing of Block B's BBC World Cup. So this is a rather large book, well, DVD, but a pretty big photo book too. So the front looks like this, and it comes with this flappy thingy, which looks like this in the front. Sticker, not sticker, but yeah. And it's the contents in the back. And the actual one looks like this. Just has the names of the band members down here. There. And the back is just empty, basically, besides no copyright thingy. And the side. Well, this was mishandled in post. Okay. So you open it up and you get both DVDs here, as you can see. Just black behind them, so there's nothing really. And the photo book, opening it up, you get first the black page, then you get the logo. You just get yellow page, and not focusing, I see. Focus. There we go. Okay, so that, and we get the contents. And the pictures. Get all of them. And then, oh wow, I wish I had longer arms. I have long arms, but they're not insanely long, so. And the group hug, Then we start off with Sicko. This lovely hat. Person number 1 with I'm not sure if the Yukon or tail. Area peel. I can this black, like normal haircut. Looks nice. One big picture. Oh. On the stage. Tail. That's a cute picture. And that one too. He's just, small and cute. In front of the mirror. Advertising color, okay. And there's that. And you can. Wondering if they're into that drink. If they're sneakily advertising it or something. for the camera. Gets buried by you and thing. Okay, whenever someone does that in pictures or in anything, I just want to wave back. Hi! It's contagious, really. Oh. I love how it smiles. I love it when people smile. Nothing better than when people smile. Okay, you can take over this nice looking to you. And keep on, of course. Okay, now he's waving again. I'm just gonna wave back. Yeah. Smile. Okay, do you look at that? It's there again. King in the background. I think at least. You climb. Yep, giving the big smile. Thumbs up for that. Yeah, it's totally posing at the wrong camera there, but whatever. Yeah, that's long. Cute. Okay, I'm guessing this is for their 500 debut, maybe? 500 days since they debuted, perhaps? In the chef hat. And we have barking, giving the big smiles. Okay, we have B-bomb, Sco, and Yukon. Bit chopped off there. And of course, parking. This book is heavy. Okay, P.O. Okay, there's so many. Okay, so it's kind of funny with the hat like that. But yeah, gets buried by there, and yeah. Not tough. It's hard to hug someone. No. It's tough. And he's got just as nice hat as Sicko's got. Seriously, that hat. We are block beats, group shots. They all do the chef. Okay, seriously, now he's in the middle again. Picture. And okay. Around the post-its. All on stage. Group. Keeping up with stage photos. Oh, they're all really squishy there. Oh, the fans. Oh my gosh. Look at all those fans. Here. Nice. Bye bye. Nice one. Whee! Ah, lovely picture. Are you focusing on me? And then my name, not on me. Okay. There. And the okay. Yeah, and what? He's trying to remove his hand too. It's kind of funny. Like seriously, this pose and that. Whoa. Okay, credits. Nice ending picture. Oh, that's the cake again. And that's it. Wow. It's one heavy book. One amazingly great book. Well, it's not a book, it's a DVD, but the photo book. Yeah, you get the picture. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. This is one amazing photo book. Okay, I'm gonna go watch the DVD now, so